Hi, I'm Tom Becker. I'm a professional engineer, mechanical, and certified educational facilities professional. I'm formerly the chair of the APPA credentialing board, and most recently have been the editor-in-chief for the new APPA Trilogy that's in the process of being published. The maintenance guideline is published. The grounds guideline is published. The custodial guideline right now is in final editing and should hit the market in the first quarter of 2023. It's incredible, really, what's happened over the last decade in facilities management. APPA, of course, is a leadership in development for people and to keeping pace with the industry. But the guidelines really are going to reflect that when you get a hold of them. The maintenance guideline has been updated to have a chapter really on reliability-based maintenance along with some other things. All of the customer service level attributes have been updated. And likewise in grounds, the service levels have been updated and everything is on a 1 to 5 scale so that it assimilates throughout the guidelines. There's new methodologies for creating your staffing levels in each of the books. And the custodial guideline, while last, but it is not least, has been a total revamp. So we've gone and added a number of attributes to the service levels to really enhance the professionalism requirements or the professionalism attributes that custodians have. I think, coming off the pandemic and understanding that, custodian and maintenance were essential personnel, we had to keep them safe. We had to service our constituents, faculty, staff, and students on an ongoing basis, do it well and do it safely. Those types of things are in the guidelines. And it just shows that being part of APPA and being part of the facilities group that in higher ed is a lot more than just being a maintenance guy or a custodian. It's you have a larger mission. We hope the guidelines help you with that and help you justify those positions and understand how many positions that you should have and develop a common service level at your campus that have expectations that can be met with the resources that you have, and that you can show a good progression towards ongoing improvement. It's all about DEMing and getting continual feedback and reacting to that feedback and then getting to the next level.